Hey guys, me and Alex are back, and this week we are trying round 2 of Japanese candy.
Yeah, we love the first one so much. Everything is just so different. We love the packaging, and it was delicious.
Absolutely.
We just wanted
delicious.
an excuse to eat more Japanese candy because it was so good. It all looks like kids' toys almost.
Yes.
It's like playful.
Speaking of toys, we actually get a toy this month. Now, we've had this box for a little while, ready to film, so I'm super excited to get into this, but I can finally see my little toy now. I think that's very, Japanese. They have lots of cute little toys like this, little knickknacks. I think it's what you put on your mobile phone, but does any mobile phone have that anymore? You know, like a Nokia 3310.
You'd need the case with it, yeah.
So that's our little toy. Shall we crack it?
Let's dive into it then.
Now, I've seen there's a bag of crisps, and as always, we have a little brochure which tells us what's inside, because this is the premium box. If you did want to get a box, we'll leave the link in the description box down below. Yeah. It's a monthly subscription, like ours. If you want to check out our subscription box, it'll be listed down below as well. British candy.
Oh wow, these look like actual lengths of spaghetti.
These are Baby Star Pan Men olive and salt flavour. We don't often have like olive oil and salt, do we?
No, that's not a flavour we really go in for.
No. Baby Star released a new line of noodle snacks made with bread dough. Bread dough. Enjoy the combination of olive. Oh, olive! I keep picturing olive oil because it's.
Well, there's olive oil on there, isn't there?
Oh yeah, and salt flavours with a new crispy texture that will have you coming back for seconds. I'm super excited because I'm really hungry. I can't.
You've been asking if you can snack on something for ages, haven't you?
Yeah. I tried not to snack before this, had a few grapes, but I knew I was going to get nice and full from these delicious candy and snacks. Smells nice.
Is it? Oh yeah.
We just went early then. Yeah, it does. Cheers.
Oh, really good.
Wow. Oh, they actually do taste like noodles. These are delicious.
These are so good.
Even though it's olive and salt, it doesn't taste that strong.
I think it's olive oil.
Olive oil.
That's so good.
What,
should we just eat
those?
these?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to give these an 8 out of 10. Seems like quite a high start, but they're so good.
Well, I was gonna give them a 9. I don't know if it's because I'm so hungry, but they are amazing.
They're so good.
Oh, but sweet bun.
Sweet bun mini cookies.
Okay, it's Melon mini cookies, the classic Japanese sweet bun. Now, are they like the sweet buns we get in Chinatown in London?
Maybe.
But biscuit form. Can now be enjoyed in cookie form. Gets its same name from the fact that its appearance resembles a cantaloupe. Enjoy these crusty but light cookies that remind you of Japan.
Oh, is that why they're called sweet buns? Because they look like
cantaloupes, maybe. Don't you just love all the bags? I think they've got much more. Oh, wow.
Ooh, they smell sweet.
I wasn't expecting that smell. I know it's not like the ones in Chinatown.
They do smell sweet.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
These look delicious. So airy.
Crumbly.
It's
You didn't expect like a fresh baked goods to come in a pack like that, do you?
No, these are amazing. They're almost, I wouldn't call this a cookie. I would call it a mixture of a cookie. And you know how you can get almost cake biscuits?
It's almost like a buttery biscuit.
Yeah, it's kind of like shortbread, but a lot airier. They're so good.
They do taste fruity, don't they? Like a very light, fruity
We don't have anything like this here.
No.
Absolutely delicious. I'm giving it a 9.
I think I'm going to give that a 9 as well. Because although I really like the crisps, these are just so much more exciting.
So, nectar.
What's nectar? Tell us.
Oh, I was hoping so. Nectar peach, and cherry blossom juice. I don't know about the cherry blossom bit. This special limited edition Fujiya nectar drink uses the puree of white peach and extract from cherry blossom flower to give it a floral touch. Refrigerate and shake well before drinking for best taste.
Oh, we
can shake it though. Oh, very cherry-y. I love these sort
It's got one of those weird lids, yeah.
Kind of has a hint of tea, doesn't it? I don't like that.
That's weird. It's like almost too fragrant. It's like you're drinking flowers.
Yeah, I don't really drink anything flowery over here.
No.
So I don't like that. You know, some people like rose extract and lavender, but that's not for me.
It's a bit fragrant. I'm going to give that a 5.
I'm going to give that a 5. I wouldn't pick that up again.
No.
Doraemon chocolate snack. To celebrate the release of the new, Doraemon movie, Tahato released a tasty limited edition Doraemon chocolate snack The light corn snack is said to be enjoyable at room temperature, chilled, or even frozen.
Really?
It looks like a box of cereal to me. I reckon it would also go nice with some milk.
And you know how we always say about crisps?
Yeah.
It just it feels like there's nothing in there.
Yeah, it literally feels like nothing. Oh wow! They're almost like chocolate Cheerios. I wonder if they taste the same. It's a corn snack.
What's a corn snack?
So kind of like
Tastes like chocolate Cheerios.
yeah. These are nice.
These are good.
I reckon these would taste really good with milk, like cereal.
Yeah.
I'm not the biggest fan of that chocolate flavour, but they're still really nice. I'd probably give these a 7.
I'll probably go 7 as well.
They're so light.
Light and airy.
Shall we do the Kit Kat? Because we've got 2.
Yes! Kit Kat time.
I have always wanted, if I went to, Japan, one of the first stops would be to try all of the
You hear so
Kit Kat
much
flavours.
about the Kit Kats in Japan, don't you?
And we've got 2 lots here. First one and then the second one. This first box is Kit Kat Baked Butter Cookie flavour. Yum! That second pack is the Winter Edition Everyday Luxury. Enjoy these special Kit Kats from the Everyday Luxury series. These Winter Edition Kit Kats come in both milk and white chocolates and have bits of dried cranberries and almonds on top.
Almonds?
Almonds!
I like the boxes.
I love the box.
It's cool, isn't it?
Oh wow!
Oh, open this way, I'm going the wrong way.
Look!
They're so small. Oh look,
that's
it's a
tiny.
box of little single ones.
Almost like the Baskin Robbins one. Single.
Yeah.
I have never seen a single Kit Kat before.
Look, a little mini half a Kit Kat.
That is so cool.
Should we stick to that first? Sorry.
Oh.
What's this? The butter cookie.
Butter cookie.
That tastes really weird to me.
That tastes alcoholic to you.
It does a little bit, yeah.
Oh. Snack contains 0.17% alcohol.
Yeah.
The white chocolate contains 0.36 alcohol and is rum scented.
Oh, rum. Want to try one of these?
I'm not the biggest fan of that. I'm a bit disappointed.
Yeah, I don't really like white chocolate, and it was all too...
Too rummy. I quite like rum. Is that better?
No, but again, it was like fragrant. So's that. That's really weird. Right.
No, I don't like that.
I don't like white chocolate in general, and then...
Would you want to try the milk chocolate one?
Yeah. And then it being like alcoholic. Not that I've got anything against alcohol, but just that little hint of alcohol is just weird.
Like it's not needed. I don't like that.
That's better. That's much better. These ones, I'm going to give these a 3. And for these, for the milk chocolate, I'm not going to score the other one. I'm going to give them a 6.
I'm going to give these a 3 and these a 1. Oh, I'm so gutted about that. I really am.
I thought
I love the boxes, the individual.
And I thought Japanese Kit Kats were going to be so good.
Yeah. Oh,
Now
well.
I just think the classic Kit Kats are probably the best.
Do you know what should hopefully bring us up?
Pocky.
These.
We love these. Enjoy these super chewy and juicy kiwi flavoured gummies. Filled with 3,500 milligrams of collagen and covered in textured sugar to perfection. I'm not sure how I feel about
collagen.
Filled with 3,500 milligrams of collagen.
I'm just hoping these are as good as those white peach ones we had.
Yeah. Cheers. Yeah, they are so thin.
They're very chewy. Oh, tangy.
Really tart, yeah.
You know, sometimes when you have chewies, they're soft, and then medium. These are a real like hard get your teeth in, but then actually it's a really nice bite. I like them. God.
The flavour I think is good, but I
smell's not nice.
don't like the texture at all.
I like that though. I'm gonna give those 7.5.
I'm gonna give those a 6. Look at this.
Teigaki chocolate monaca. They're fish-shaped traditional Japanese pancakes, usually filled with sweet red bean paste. This time we bring you a light wafer snack that's influenced by the Japanese snack, but instead filled with very airy and smooth milk chocolate.
I'm so glad this was swapped with a milk chocolate
I did not
rather
fancy
than
the
a red bean paste.
So it's obviously, red bean paste is sweet though for them.
It's cool though. I do quite like it.
I'm not usually the biggest wafer fan.
I crack it in half?
Yeah, you can.
I like wafers.
Oh wow, that chocolate is so airy. It's like an ice cream cone, like a McDonald's one. And it is chocolate inside.
Yeah.
I thought that chocolate was going to be wafery. It's airy.
The
You can literally
chocolate's
see
so
the
airy.
bubbles.
It's like Aero, but even lighter, isn't it?
Really delicious. Should we go more sweets? in the hopes that these are better.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, I love this packaging. Woo!
Have you filmed the package?
No. I got too excited.
Shake Shake Yogurty Fruit Gummies.
Yogurty?
Yeah. Tasty, fruity gummies you can enjoy 2 different ways. Try the orange, pineapple and apple gummies on their own.
Yogurt.
Or shake them up with the yogurt powder included in the package for a delightfully yogurt treat.
Yogurt powder?
Yeah.
No, I thought it was going to be like sugar. I got excited. When you have to do something with your food, I know you don't like that, but I get really excited. Anyone used to have the salt and shake crisps growing up? Ooh.
I'm going to try one on its own before you do that.
Me too.
God,
There's only seems to be 2 flavours.
yeah, they've got that same kind of strange smell.
Yeah, this is orange. Completely different bite.
Texture's good though, actually.
Really good texture. Right, so the yogurt powder, it's a powder, goes in, you zip up and give it a good shake. Kiwi! I've never heard of yogurt powder.
They almost have
oh,
like
wow, it literally has covered them all.
Oh. You know, sometimes you do just get sweets powdered, don't you?
Like Jelly Babies,
Yeah.
come with the powder.
Oh, it really has added to the flavour.
That's not yogurt though. That tastes like more of a sherbety.
Really?
It's really brought them to life, hasn't it?
Really brought out the flavour somehow, hasn't it?
Much more flavoursome.
It really does taste like a Jelly Baby now. Slightly more exotic in flavour. They're actually really good.
One more. Delicious.
I'm going to stop there.
What are you going to give that?
I'm actually going to give that an 8, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll only give it an 8 too.
But 8
look,
with the
there are
powder
3
on.
flavours, lemon.
8 with the powder on, not with the powder off, I think.
Really?
Yeah, I think I prefer
I liked, what, you preferred it with the powder? I'm so
that.
surprised.
Yeah, I think so.
It's got a slight tartness to it,
Yeah,
hasn't
but it brought the flavour out inside.
Delicious. Okay. This doesn't scream exciting to me.
Waraku no Sato Yokan. This month we bring you one of the most traditional of Dagashi snacks. Yogan is a thick jelly snack made of red bean paste, sugar and agar. This time we bring you Waraku no Soto's velvety variety. Enjoy with green tea for a real Japanese snacking experience. Well, I'm off.
We are back with our green tea, thank you,
Got our green
Alex.
tea, cheers.
I've got my In the Kitchen with Kate mug.
I've got my Smudge Films mug.
Follow us on all platforms.
On brand. It's like slimy, isn't it?
It's slimy, yeah.
And it's dense.
It's like nothing. In some ways you could think this is like Turkish
It's
delight.
like really jelly. It's like a
jelly.
solid kind of jelly.
Cheers. Oh, but actually your teeth go through it really quickly. Actually, I've had red bean paste before in,
Donuts.
no, what are they?
Like buns. Japanese buns, aren't they?
Yeah, but they're like the little mochi. But this is nicer than that.
They're right, this goes really good with the
Is it?
green tea, yeah.
I
For
actually
me-
prefer that much more than the other red bean paste I've tried.
To me, what's weird is the texture. It's like kind of, not sandy, it's kind
Almost
of like
powdery.
Powdery, yeah. I'm going to give that a 7.
I'll give that a 7 as well. It's nice. We've got one more thing before we get into the Dagashi pack.
Cool.
And these
Are one of our
Pocky.
favourites.
Pocky Mild Milk Cocoa. And this time we bring you the newly released milk cocoa flavour. The mild series not only boasts more subtle sweetness, but also uses no artificial colouring or fragrance.
Is this the size of the box we got last time?
No, we got a big one with
don't
like
know.
a few different sachets. And also it was like the posh Pocky.
does
Oh
look
wow,
nice.
look at the colour. That's white chocolate on the outside.
Cheers.
Cheers. First bite I think, not sweet enough. But the more you go into it, it's quite a nice snack.
I always just think, in a thin stick, I always want more to chew on.
Yeah.
It's like never quite enough.
The chocolate biscuit almost tastes not chocolatey enough.
Yeah, well the thing is, it's all very mild.
It's still good, but I just wish there was a bit more chocolate, a bit more, yeah. Okay, so it never actually tells us what's in the Dagashi because there's 5 things and it's just a combination of 4 random Dagashi snacks and 1 umebo that'll be included in your box every month. What snacks did you get this month? Don't know what that is. Now, last time we searched Dagashi, we found out that they're the more cheaper sweets and snacks that you can find.
Look, these are really
nice and puffed.
puffed up.
Oh my word, they're so empty in there. Oh wow! I've got a half empty one. Look like beans.
Oh, they taste good.
Like beans.
They are like those vegan ones we had, just a little bit sweeter.
Oh yeah, we have vegan ones. Yeah, these ones actually are like dried beans, because look, even
Right, not in that.
tastes like there's 3 things. I acted with the eyes today. Trying to get those zoom in moments. I just gotta eat all of them. They're almost salty, aren't they?
They're really good. I never realised before that I loved crisps that are like peas, but I do. They're a 9.
Really?
They're a 9.
7 for me.
And they're Dagashi. If I lived in Japan, that would be my daily snack.
Get it going. Okay.
Oh, look at these little...
Oh my word! Little triangle crackers.
Herby, but I like them. I know
It's
what they'd
more
be great
Indian.
with. I really like these. I don't think they taste great.
No. Whoa.
These are so good.
Oh, so fishy.
It smelled like a fishmonger's.
That tastes like when you breathe in fishmongers. Really nice though. I think it's like lobstery.
Yeah.
I like that much more than the crackers.
Oh, I love the crackers. For me, the crackers would be an 8.
Really? I'd say this is higher. This is probably about 7.
I'll just
Those
have a-
crackers are a 4 for me. Should we try the 7 sticks?
Yeah.
Oh wow! So you get, they almost look like fries.
What's in here?
A lollipop.
All right.
Cheers!
It's very light and really delicious.
That chocolate's really nice.
But it's a bit like that airy thing we had with the...
Got a hole. I wonder if you bit the sides out.
Oh, yeah.
Zip up too. Although the wafer will probably just disintegrate.
You know, like when you get fancy selections of biscuits?
You can.
You can. So you
There's
have like
always
one
like
of
a
these in
wafer
there, a
one.
wafer, yeah, stick.
You have to. That. Nice, isn't it? Kind of melts the chocolate.
It's the
Maybe we're
Dagashi
meant
slam.
to do that.
Yeah, look. It's gone completely...
Melts the. Oh, that's delicious.
Yes.
I'd probably give that an 8 or a 9.
That bag of Dagashi was really good. Last time they weren't that good, were they?
No, it had that weird wafer thing that looked like my sports bra inside.
Oh, yeah.
If you haven't seen our other one, do check that out. Now this is a lollipop, but it looks like it's got a spring on it. Oh my word.
It's a lolly on a spring. That's weird. I wonder if you can like...
Interesting.
It's the kind of thing you'd like to do, isn't
Put it
it?
on your finger.
What's that? This
Oh
is
look,
like...
you put it on your index finger.
Oh,
You're
you
such a
do?
child at heart.
Only fits on my little finger. But this way you could be like, I let go. Go on, you take it. What does it
I've
taste
had that
like?
taste before.
Great.
That's what it is. Would you like to try it?
I'm okay, thank
Do you
you.
want me to dip it in my water and then you
No.
try it? You don't want to
I'm
try
not really that bothered about lollipops.
it? It's grape. We don't get grape over here,
No.
but America
And
does.
usually you
and
get grape
Canada.
in America, but I didn't think you get grape from Japan. So that's interesting.
That's really nice. I'll give that an 8. I actually really like grape. And that's the end.
That's it.
Yeah, we got through that quick, didn't
It seemed like such a big box and now it's done. I can't
I
believe
know.
it.
That's delicious. What a great box. What a great box.
Awesome work.
Really good. Really happy with that. Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed that. Did you?
I definitely enjoyed that. I didn't even wait for you to ask me. Really enjoyed that. I love trying loads of different flavours.
I don't even need to be here, do you? You just told yourself.
As we mentioned before, we have a British candy box subscription that you can all buy. So we'll leave a link in the description box down below and you can go get it yourself.
Yeah, every month we pick our favourite candies, including crisps, snacks, chocolate, sweets, and we send them to your door. So
And you get to enjoy like we get to enjoy the other subscription boxes. So we'll see you soon. Bye guys.
see ya.